Why is CAR T-cell therapy a frontier for MCL lymphoma? Imagine a new kind of medicine that trains your own immune system to fight cancer more precisely than ever before. That's what CAR T-cell therapy is doing for mantle cell lymphoma, a type of non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Mantle cell lymphoma is known for its aggressive behavior and its ability to resist many standard treatments. Patients often face limited options after their disease comes back or stops responding to therapies like chemotherapy or targeted drugs called Bruton tyrosine kinase inhibitors. CAR T-cell therapy offers a fresh approach by using a patient's own T-cells, which are immune cells that normally fight infections. These T-cells are taken from the patient and then genetically modified in the lab to produce chimeric antigen receptors, or CARs. These receptors are designed to recognize a protein called CD19, which is found on the surface of most mantle cell lymphoma cells. Once these engineered T-cells are infused back into the patient, they can seek out and destroy the cancer cells more effectively than traditional treatments. Because mantle cell lymphoma can be so diverse and often resistant to initial treatments, the ability of CAR T-cell therapy to overcome this resistance is a major breakthrough. Clinical studies have shown that this therapy can produce high response rates, with about 83 to 89% of patients seeing their tumors shrink or disappear. Complete remission, where no signs of cancer are detectable, occurs in around 72 to 70% of cases. Even more promising, some patients experience long-lasting remission, with progression-free survival at 6 and 12 months ranging from 53 to 69%. This is especially important for patients with high-risk features like TP53 mutations or blastoid variants, who usually have fewer options and poorer outcomes with standard therapies. However, CAR T-cell therapy is not without risks. It can cause serious side effects such as cytokine releases syndrome, which leads to high fever, low blood pressure, and flu-like symptoms. Neurotoxicity is another concern, sometimes causing confusion or neurological changes. Fortunately, these side effects are generally manageable with current supportive care strategies, and ongoing research continues to improve safety profiles. Another key point is that CAR T-cell therapy is usually a time-limited treatment, unlike continuous therapies such as Bruton tyrosine kinase inhibitors. This means it has the potential to provide long-term remission or even a cure for some patients. It is especially valuable for those who have exhausted other options and face a poor prognosis after standard treatments fail. In summary, CAR T-cell therapy is a frontier for mantle cell lymphoma because it specifically targets cancer cells with engineered immune cells, leading to high response rates even in resistant cases. It offers hope for durable remission and the possibility of long-term control or cure. While it carries risks, these are manageable with proper medical care. This innovative immunotherapy is transforming the treatment landscape for mantle cell lymphoma, giving new hope to patients with limited options. Always remember, if you or someone you know is considering this therapy, consulting with a healthcare professional is essential to understand the best approach based on individual circumstances.